Back to my channel, and today we're gonna play with slime. And there's another channel called Amir. It's very nice and like has so many things and it's nice, okay? But before we start, please subscribe and leave a like and comment, please. So yeah, let's get right into it. So here's the slime that I bought. I know it's crazy, but yeah. So here's the green one, but before we took these things out there, oh my god. Okay, look at the box is nice, it's shaped nice, and there's like some nice things. Look at this kitty, oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, she's sad, guys, look. Sad. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I think it's sad, and it's written like, I don't know, it's written top die 3 and plus ages, what the hell. And it's right super light clay, and yeah, I guess it's nice. And there's this thing so we could open it easily, so yeah. And the other one is also, but I'm gonna play it after I play with this. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh my god, so nice, guys. Yeah, so the slime is nice and it's cool. Oh my god, cold. Look at my hands, there's some germs on it now. Shit. So it's called cool. Okay, so we're gonna play with it. So yeah, and you know this sound, I know it's for my sister, from my mom. I meant not sister. My sister is asleep. So yeah, oh my, look at this. Okay, if it get, oh my god, look. No, what is that? Okay, I don't care. And today we're gonna, not today, what the hell? Okay, so I'm gonna play with the big yellow. Guys, I'm dumb. I am idiot, not the yellow, the blue. Okay, it hurts. Wow. Here's the blue, and as you can see, I just put it like this. And here's the blue. It's more nicer. Look at the sound. Oh yes. Okay, so it's more nicer than the the green. So it's more nice and smell more nice. I swear, guys. Look. Okay, so here it is. Oh my god, it's nice. Okay, guys, so yeah, but I'm gonna compare to them right now. So yeah, here they are. So this is more like not hard, but I don't know, I didn't like it. I like this more. God, it's so more like soft. This is not hard, but I don't know, I didn't like it. I don't know, it's not very much. So I'm gonna do something that is not very nice of me to do. I'm gonna go okay, I'm gonna take, you guys, look, if you want me to like mix them in another video, say in the comments and leave a like and subscribe so you could see every new video I post. And there's a video called Schmitty thinks she is a god. It's the first one, like there's a computer in the screen and someone is holding the phone. It's me. And see, it's very nice, I swear. Like everybody liked it. I have 1 subscribe. It's so okay, come on, let's continue. So here are the slimes. I think this is more bigger, or this, I don't know. I think they are the same size. I think. I don't know. They are the same size or no. Let's wait for it for some. Let's wait for it. Okay guys, after the waiting, it looked like all they are the same size. And yeah. So let's put it back. Thank you guys for watching this video and peace out.